We're joined by a representative of pharmaceutical manufacturer Mockco, Mr. Martin Gillman. Martin, thanks for joining us. Good evening, Chris. There's been a good deal of talk this week regarding the influence pharmaceutical companies are having on the doctors who prescribe their drugs. Yes, well, we rely on marketing and promotion like any other enterprise. Yes, but is incentivizing doctors to prescribe certain medications really in the best interest of all parties? Absolutely. The system enables a mutually beneficial dynamic between drug company and doctor. And what about the patient? Sorry, who? The patient, the person taking the drugs. Oh, them. Well, they receive the benefit of the drug being prescribed to them, Chris. Are you referring to benefits such as, I'll read this directly from one of your products, Martin, dry mouth, itchy scalp, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, seizures, glaucoma, or death? Yes, well, those are side effects, Chris. They are extremely rare, and if you read on, you'll see that we strongly recommend seeking medical advice if experiencing any of those. I imagine it's a tad challenging to reach out to your GP when experiencing death, Martin. Look, no single medication is perfect. Now, Celltox has proved to be effective in lowering cholesterol, and for millions of people, some discomforting side effects are the lesser of two evils. It can cause blindness, Mr. Gillman. I've never heard a blind man proclaim, well, I can't see, but thank God I don't have high cholesterol. Look, every drug produced by Mockco that's on the market today is the result of extensive research and development and rigorous clinical trials. Can you describe these trials? Well, I just did, Chris. They're rigorous and clinical. Ooh, highly clinical. And what happens after these trials? Well, the results are made available to qualified medical professionals who can then make their own informed decisions regarding which medication suits best each patient. However, research shows that if a trial demonstrates a drug is ineffective, the likelihood is that that data will be suppressed in favour of more flattering results from a different trial on that same drug. Well, yes, not every single trial is going to produce positive results, so it makes sense to be selective in what's published. I mean, what would be the point in publishing a 48-page document detailing how rubbing beef schnitzel on oneself failed to alleviate eczema? The problem is, Mr. Gillman, that if you conduct enough trials, the probability is that by coincidence, or dare I say dodgy statistical analysis, eventually a single trial will garner favourable results, and these results are the ones that will be made public, hence rendering beef schnitzel a viable treatment for eczema. Do you see the problem? Oh yeah, I do indeed. I mean, it would be very difficult indeed for a pharmaceutical company to profit from any kind of schnitzel therapy. No, I mean that surely for a medical professional to make an informed decision, she or he must have all results available, the good and the bad. Look, we're not in charge of the medical journals, Mr. Drabble. We don't decide what does and doesn't get published. However, you don't deny that drug manufacturers do incentivize doctors to prescribe certain medications. Because it appears, Mr. Gillman, that the marketing arms of pharmaceutical companies are alarmingly pervasive. Look, just like you, we operate within a capitalist framework. Now, just like the existence of your show, our company relies on the generation of profit. Now, need I point out, Chris, that your profit is sourced from advertisers, including Mockco. Is that true? Martin, thank you for your time. You're doing wonderful things for humanity. Thank you, Chris. We think so too.